Why is the speed of light the universal speed limit? Now, we're told this all the time. Nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. But why? Why is the universe so strict about this one rule? And what actually breaks if you try to go faster? I'm Chloe, your everyday STEMinist, and today we're unpacking one of the deepest ideas in physics. Okay, so first, a really important clarification. The speed of light isn't just the speed of light. It's the speed of causality, the fastest speed at which cause and effect can travel through the universe. Light just happens to move at that speed. So to understand why there's a limit at all, we need to talk about space and time. In everyday life, we treat them as separate things. You move through space and time just kind of happens, ticking away in the background. But Einstein showed us that space and time are actually stitched together into a single fabric called space-time. And here's the key idea. There is a maximum speed at which anything, information, energy, cause and effect, can move through space-time. And that speed is what we call c, the speed of light. Now, imagine trying to push something with mass, a spaceship, a particle, anything, faster and faster. At first, adding energy to make it go faster in a fairly sensible way. But as you keep pushing, something strange happens. The energy you need doesn't just go up in a straight line, it skyrockets exponentially. And this is where you might recognize Einstein's most famous equation, E equals mc squared. That equation tells us something really important, that mass and energy are interchangeable. So when you keep pouring energy into an object to make it go faster, you're not just increasing its speed, you're effectively increasing how much inertia it has, or how hard it is for the universe to accelerate it any further. So the closer you get to the speed of light, the worse this problem becomes. The energy required doesn't just get very large, it blows up. To actually reach the speed of light, you would need infinite energy. And infinite energy simply doesn't exist. So the universe isn't saying you're not allowed, it's saying there is no physical way to do this. But there's an even deeper reason this limit exists. If faster than light travel were possible, you wouldn't just break speed records, you'd break time itself. From some observers' perspectives, effects could happen before their cause. Messages could arrive before they were sent. Cause and effect would get completely scrambled. And the universe really does not like paradoxes. So the structure of space-time itself enforces the speed limit, one that keeps events in the right order for everyone, no matter how they're moving. So why does light move at that speed? Simply because light has no mass. It doesn't experience time the way we do. From light's point of view, emission and absorption happen instantaneously. Light isn't racing through space-time, it's simply following the geometry of space-time as fast as space-time allows. Everything else, planets, particles, people, have mass, and so get slowed down. So the speed of light isn't arbitrary, it's not a cosmic speed sign. It's built into the architecture of reality.